got semi half of my head done. Basically just the front. And I just need to do the sides. The hair I use, I'm using 2 kinds of hair now because I'm running low on this hair. This is the Beauty Essentials Double Afro Marla Twist Out from Realistic. And it's like this. This is the girl on pack. It's like this. Hair's like that. And I got another pack of hair because I bought this hair years ago. Honestly, I found it under my counter. I said I was going to use this since I started with these. I had to find something somewhere close to this. But this one is kind of loose. But this one is the one with the new hair. This is with the old hair. So I think I'm going to finish the front with the old hair. And then kind of fill in the back with the new hair. I'm just doing the passion twist on my head. And I'm using the rubber band method. So all my hair is parted and rubber band in the section. And my mom, she actually parted my hair. And she used the Shine and Jam while doing the parts. And I'm just using the Shine and Jam as well on my hair, because when I first started, when I was twisting it out, my hair would just stick out of the braid, stick out of the twist. Even when before I relaxed my hair, and now it's still sticking out. I don't know, but I'm just using the Shine and Jam on here, and I'm using the end of my pick to scoop my jam out, because I really don't want to get the stuff up under my nails. So I'm just scooping some out. I'm just gonna put a little jam on here. Okay. Put that on there. It's gonna make it stick out. I know this is probably too much product, but I don't think I'm gonna have this hairstyle for too long. It's just for my birthday, or honestly till it comes down, I guess. So where is my hair? Okay. So with the first bundle, the first pack of hair, it is 24 inches. And I just cut it in half, made it 12. So what you do is, I took my piece, just make sure I put it back together a little bit. And I catch it in the middle. See, this is where it was, how long it was before I cut it. And now this is where I'm going to be using it at this length. Let me get this extra off this because it's bothering. And you ain't got to worry about if it kind of freezes up. And y'all, honestly, people use the, you can use the free tress. What is this? The free tress water wave. I was gonna use it with this, but this keeps undoing and backwards. You gotta do backwards and forwards, and that ain't for me. So I just decided I'm gonna just use some. It says Marla hair. It's the twist out, so that's what I'm gonna use. And it gave me a pretty cute curl. And these are just my ends. I just rubber band the end. I don't know if I want to cut them, because they don't look that bad. I guess this is just up against the black shirt, but I think I might cut it later or not. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my crochet hook. I can put my hair down right here. Take my crochet hook and just go up under the rubber band. Shit, I can't even do it now. What's wrong with me? Go up under the rubber band. Okay, see how it's up under? It's up under the rubber band. So I'm just gonna take the center of my hair, put it in the loop, close it, pull it through halfway, and now I'm gonna take my hook out. And I'm going to pull half of the hair through See? And I make sure I even it out on both sides. So one side won't be longer, or I won't run out of hair faster. And I just grab my hair that you put the jam on. I grab a little more jam to bring it with me, and I just incorporate it into the twist, and I just twist it. I got my pack of rubber bands. And I'm just gonna rubber band the end of it. And as you can see, when I let this go, you're gonna see the curve, the twist. See? That is so cute. It's really cute, y'all. So I'm just gonna continue that all the way down. Okay, so hey y'all, it is multiple days later after I finished my hair. So yeah, I just finished it. I just cut the ends off of them, made them blunt, and I tied them on with the rubber band. And I just left my two front pieces with the little curl pieces on there. And yeah, y'all, this was a really simple hairstyle. it was easy. The hair made it even more easier. And the curl, I mean, not the curl, but the twist, they're just so pretty. I got so many compliments on this style. And yeah, y'all, it's just a quick, easy hairstyle. It's not that complicated, and I really recommend y'all finding, like, if you're having trouble with the jazz wave or the water wave, just like I was, just use like maybe I don't know what kind of hair it is, but it was kind of like a softer Marley hair, and it was like the twist out hair. And it isn't the regular Marley hair, you know, kind of texture. This one was kind of, it was softer. And I think if you find some hair like that, they'll be great with these twists. Yes. And I just put the rubber bands on the end, cut the ends off. So these were the best two ends, and I'm happy that they were the best two because they were on the front. And I just cut the rest of them. But yeah. So thanks for watching, y'all. And I'm going to see y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.